G'day. So I've just been tearing apart this Dyson head, and so far what I've found is that with the belt off here, this shaft here won't freely move. This bit here doesn't freely spin. It's completely seized, or not completely seized, but it is a ridiculous amount of torque on it. So I'd say the bearings in here are shot. And the way that I've been able to verify that is with this belt getting taken off. So I put it here. I should be able to just then hopefully fold it over. And from here, a little bit of work here, but you can take it out from over here. Basically what I used was an air compressor, and I blew it straight in here, and this shaft here span like a madman. It span how I normally see the vacuum spinning, but with this belt on, I'm getting no movement at all out of this. I got to manually crank that. It's tight as hell, those bearings. More stuff falling out. But sadly, I've been struggling to find this replacement part just here. It doesn't really exist. It seems to get sold as a head. I haven't come across this individual by itself. Did do some Googling, did come up with some parts numbers, but overall, I really came up with a whole lot of nothing. If I give me a second, where are we? If I look at my previous search history, this here was the model number that I was coming up with. That is clearly printed on this piece right here. But it seems to really have not a lot available for it. It basically pushes you straight towards buying. Looking at AliExpress. If anyone can come across it, please comment. Please give me the link. Because I've got a couple of these that have failed now. I've had no parts for them. And that definitely sucks. So I'm just going to put this in the back burner pile. But yeah, so I reckon if you had a couple of them that were faulty, do disconnect the belt. I've got another video on how to show you how to do that. But disconnect the belt and see if this will spin freely by itself. Blowing air directly in like it would normally suck, instead of just blowing it. That creates a turbulence, spins the shaft freely, which to me says this is going fine, the belt is going fine. It's this that's completely seized. Damn.